Berry Bears. I want to tell you about this week in our Art Canvas module. This is week 4 of our art class assignments. And it's also week 4 of music and PE assignments. So you have a course, an art class, a PE class, a music class, and all your other classes in your dashboard. And you would pick your class. I'm going to pick the 4th grade art class. Doesn't matter which one I pick because they all look the same, the 4th, 5th, 6th, and 3rd grade art classes. But in your dashboard, you'll find a way to get into your art, music, and PE classes. And I want to show you how to get around in the art module so you can do your art this week. Okay, so you can see I have a home page for you. I'm going to put it on student view so we'll see what you see. And notice that I have an announcement up here for you, and it'll show it in your to-do list. And here's our art class homepage. I've got several little paint splats down here and an explanation for every week. So this week, and you can click on these and it'll take you to parts of our Canvas course. So this week, it takes you, if you click on that one, it takes you to our landscape art, which is what we're doing this week. And you can click on the landscape artist inspiration. And you'll see a few artists that I've showed you here. And they all make landscapes. They all made landscapes. And if you click on the word modules, you can go back, or there will be a next button, but I can't get to it down here right now because we're in student view. So but go ahead and click on the word modules. You'll get to the next part of our art course this week, which is our landscape art activity. And you can look here, and it's going to show you a nice video about your landscape assignment. It's a really good video. I hope you watch it, and then you can see lots of different ideas of different landscapes that kids have done out of different supplies. So you can get some ideas, and then you could click next, or you can go to the word modules at the top and get to our discussion. Our discussion is right here. And notice you're going to turn in your artwork. You're going to make your artwork, then you're going to turn it into our discussion here so everybody can see it. And if you'll click on the word reply, right below the instructions, you'll see that this rich text editor opens up. And this is the button you want to push. It says record upload media. So when you click that, it's going to open up your webcam and you can show me just like this. You can hold up your art, hold it up real still so we can see it, and answer the questions, the quick questions about telling us about your artwork. Okay? And then don't forget to hit post reply at the end to put your video in there. Okay? And then I just want to say a couple more things while I have you here about grades because they're due pretty soon. And I am giving you a grade, and so are music and PE for this 6 weeks and for the year, of course. So a lot of you have shared your artwork and done your music and your PE courses, but some of you haven't. If you haven't, you're going to be getting a grade for the 6 weeks of an incomplete. And if you do your work, then you'll get a passing grade. So every week we can give you a complete or incomplete, and then a progress or no progress. And if you just do anything in our courses, we can give you a complete for the 6 weeks. So I can pass you if you do something, but if you don't do anything and don't come into the art course, I can't pass you for those 6 weeks. So for those of you that have already put things in the art class course, I've loved seeing how you've been creative over this time. And I really thank you. It's been great seeing your work and seeing you. And art is a way you can express yourself, boys and girls. Creating art can be fun and can help take your mind off of your problems. So I encourage you to make some art and just have some fun making some art. I really miss you, Berry Bears. If you need any help, just email me through the inbox, the Canvas inbox, and I will be happy to help you. I really miss you. Bye. Thanks for listening.